Hindi mainam mag-isa ang tao. Bibigyan ko siya ng makakasama at makakatulong.
All the small things, true care, truth brings.
So, wow. Congratulations, Kuya. You are now upgraded to being my husband. So, it's been so many years, so many times of me always saying no. No, no. But this time, it is a yes.
My God, do you take Ian here present for your lawful husband according to the right of the Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights off, carry me home.
Hi, Micah. Hello. Ako nga pa lang yung seatmate, stalker daw nung college.
College classmate, pero after college, naging in a relationship. After board exam.
Ako syempre, in a few moments, husband na.
Nagbunga na rin ang pasimoy-simoy mo. So, dati ang mga linya mo lang, Micah, nandyan na ka pala. Andito rin ako, daanan kita. O kaya, Micah, lapit mo lang, mag-bike ako dyan. So, akalain mo, nag-level up ka na to, Micah, alam mo na. Will you marry me?
Say it ain't so, I will not go.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to our very own Mr. and Mrs. Laksamana!
I'll be your thrill. The night will go on. The night will go on. My little windmill.
Be blessing. No. Consider your partner as blessing of God, a gift from God.
Ay! Totoo yan, hindi yan test. May memory kami nung YSL Libre. Nung nag-Singapore kami, yun yung first time na natry namin to. Tapos yun din yung trip namin na nag-propose ako. Sayang.
So I have 3 C's. My first would be, you are the calm when I'm being the storm. Next would be, you are the cheesy when I'm being sour. Lastly, you are the coach when I'm being stubborn.
8 years na kami na magkasintahan. Nice Tagalog. Eye to eye contact. Malagkik yung tingin eh. Ganyan. So, tandaan na, bakit ba mawakan mo?
Ba't pala ganun, oh?
Di ba lagi ko request sa'yo that we should have a yellow sofa or orange chair? Whatever. Because obviously, favorite ko orange and yellows. Siguro ito talaga sign ni Lord sa'yo, hindi mo lang pinansin agad. Because just like your favorite song, I will be your yellow.
Naalala ko pa nung una nating official date ay yung late ako. Pero yun, Simba date. To celebrate and give thanks. Kasi pasado tayo parehas ng board exam. And then, back today, niyaya ulit ito sa simbahan. Pero hindi na date. Kasal na. Buti naman at nag-yes na.
Yes to being your better half. Yes to your utot forever. Yes to building a life with you forever.
Micah, wear this ring, a sign of my love,
And loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
Ngayon, finally, kasal na tayo. Marami pa tayong core memory and moments na gagawin together. Excited na ako.
Remember, paglabas ninyo sa simbahan ito, hindi na nga kayo para sa inyong sarili lamang, lalo't higit para sa isa't isa.
Le-level up ko ng mga hotdog and pancakes ko para sa'yo. Pagtatalunan pa natin ilang aso. Kakalma rin ang second waves mo. Pwede rin taga-memorize ng BPI PIN code. So it may mean a million things to you, but at the end of the day, I will always be Happily be your very own yellow. I am your yellow and you know I love you so.
Naging favorite song niya yun ever since. And then, coincidentally, orange or yellow yung lagi kong favorite colors.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful.
Excited na rin ako makita yung smile mo after mo matikman yung mga luto ko. So, with that, isa lang yung promise ko sa'yo, hindi kita gugutumin sa pagmamahal.
For you, I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you.
Si Ian po ay patingin-tingin pa sa akin. Parang may hinihintay pa akong gustong sabihin. Ano? Ian, you may kiss my ka na.
How they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.